Advisor, do I need to file my quarterly tax this August 15? Kakaregister ko lang last July 11 sa BIR. The answer is hindi po dahil ang fina-file ngayong August 15 deadline ay ang second quarter income tax return. At ang covered ng second quarter ITR is from month of April to June. Since July po ang registration mo, so ito para sa lahat ng freelancers na magre-register ng kanilang business kay BIR from July 1 to September 30. Ang pinakaunang tax compliance nyo po ay third quarter income tax return. Sa October 1 pa po ang start ng filing at ang deadline ay November 15. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at JE Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Pag may question ka regarding freelancer BIR registration or ITR filing, comment mo yan at sasagutin ko yan. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.